Hello friends, welcome to karmatech. So in this video, I'm going to talk about 9 secret shortcuts of Option key in your Mac. This video is going to be interesting, but before going ahead, if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now the Option key present in your Mac is not a normal key. It can perform multiple keyboard shortcuts. Let's start with the first one. Suppose if you want to go to display settings, then you don't need to go to system settings each and every time. All you can do is simply press Option plus brightness key and it will directly take you to display settings and you can do whatever you want. The next shortcut is related to sound settings. Just like display settings, this time if you press Option and volume key, it will directly take you to sound settings, and again you can adjust anything related to sound. Now the next shortcut is related to Bluetooth. Suppose if I go and select Bluetooth option on the menu bar, what it will do is it will basically show me the devices which I can connect to, but it is not showing anything else apart from that. But if I want to see each and everything in detail, what I can do is simply press Option key, and if I press Bluetooth on menu bar, this time it is basically showing me all the details. It will show me the Bluetooth name. It is also showing the details related to all the other device which I am connected to. So if you want to check anything in detail, you can simply press Option and Bluetooth. This thing also works for Wi-Fi. If I press Option and Wi-Fi over here, you can see again it will show me basic details related to Wi-Fi, and also the network which I'm connected to, it will show all the details related to that. Now the next thing is, suppose if you want to force quit any particular application, then the shortcut to open the force quit window is Command Option and Escape key. If you press this, you will get force quit application, or you will get a window like this. But instead of that, if you want to force quit application directly without going to that window, all you need to do is just simply point your arrow to that application, right click, and over here you can see you get a quit option. But as soon as I press Option, it changes to force quit. So you can directly force quit any application using Option key. Now the next Option key shortcut is actually very interesting, and to show that, let me open Spotlight search just for example. If you want to type Apple logo, then you can use shortcut of Option Shift and K. What it will do is basically it will type Apple logo, and you can use this shortcut wherever you want. Next thing is, if you press Option Command and L, it will take you to downloads folder directly. You don't have to go to Finder each and every time and search for download. You can use this shortcut. Now the next thing is, suppose you want to delete any particular folder or file completely without sending it to bin, then you can use this shortcut. But for that, let me create 2 folders first. Now you can see I have created 2 folders. Now the simple way to delete a folder or file is we usually select the folder or file and we use Command plus delete. And what it does is it deletes the file from your Mac, but the file is still present in bin. And to delete it completely, we use this empty option. And finally, the file or the folder is completely removed from your Mac. In place of Command and delete, you can use shortcut of Option Command and delete, and it will show you a pop-up like this. If you select delete option, what it will do is it will completely delete the file without sending it to bin. So yeah, if you want to delete any particular file directly, use this shortcut. Now the next shortcut is for volume and brightness. If you want to adjust any of this in small increments, then you can use this shortcut. Now if I want to adjust volume in smaller increments, what I'm going to do is I'm going to press Option Shift plus volume key. It will adjust the volume in smaller increments. Similarly, I can use the same shortcut for brightness. Press Option Shift and brightness. It will adjust in small increments. If I decrease it, you can see it is adjusting in small increments. So these are some secret shortcuts related to Option key, and you should definitely start using this. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.